This is going to blow your mind. Crypto isn't always a gold mine. Sometimes it's a trap. In the wild world of crypto, opportunities are everywhere. But hidden beneath the glitter are pitfalls like the dreaded exit liquidity trap. Picture this. You invest, the price skyrockets, and suddenly plummet. You just funded someone else's exit. These traps, they come in many forms, pump and dump schemes, where hype drives prices up, then boom! Project failures. One scandal and trust is shattered. Regulatory crackdowns and exchange delistings. Overnight, your investment's worth drops faster than a meme coin. Market manipulation. Fake demand tricks you into investing. FOMO, it's your worst enemy here. To stay safe, watch out for exaggerated claims, low liquidity, anonymous teams, and sudden price surges. So how do you protect your crypto? Stick to high market cap coins, dodge the hype, use reputable exchanges, and always do your homework. Stay smart, stay safe, and may your crypto journey be prosperous.